It's ISE 2023 in Barcelona, and we are on the 3D Storm stand, and I'm joined by Judy from Kiloview. Hi, Judy.
Hi, Simon.
Now, we've spoken about your roadmap. We've spoken about the progression of your prototype devices that you were showing at IBC that are now shipping. Fantastic. And we've got this last video, we're talking about something very new. Tell us all about it.
Yes, we recently released some new products, and the first one I would like to talk about is the E3 here. So this is really a very powerful encoder that it can bring both SDI and HDMI in, and not only SDI or HDMI input, you can also combine the SDI and the HDMI with a mixed video. So you can set the videos with SDI and HDMI with picture-in-picture or picture-by-picture, so we can mix the videos. While at the same time, we can do the encoding simultaneously with both of the inputs. So both SDI and HDMI inputs and simultaneously with two streams.
Okay.
And it can support up to 4K P30 with HDMI inputs, while at the same time, it can support up to H.265 encoding with all the protocols that can support. That means you can use this product for live streaming with RTMP. You can use with SRT for remote transmission, while at the same time you can use any HX2 or HX3 for your production or any of the other functions. While at the same time, for the audio parts, we got the line in. Of course, for the embedded audio with SDI, it can be up to 8 channels. And for HDMI, it can up to 4 channels, so it's multiple audio channel encoding. While also we got the PoE, we got all the other functions with USB. We can do the recording. So this is not only encoder, it's a recorder, it's a kind of multi-viewer, a lot of functions. And if we check from the front panel, then we are adding a display to show all the parameters, the specifications for the streaming. We can show the IP address, the bit rate, and a lot of the other important functions, and we can select and change something here. And also we got extra USB extended, so we can even use the USB to control the PVC cameras. So all the functions included in the units. And also this display, we can also work it as a tele light. And we can, we got all those things to put.
I noticed the mount on the bottom.
Yeah, on the top of the camera. So in general, the E3 is very, very powerful with a lot of flexibility and functions. Yeah.
I mean, the flexibility must make it attractive to the whole industry, really.
Yes.
Streaming, post-production, production.
Yeah, every purpose you need, you can just directly choose the E3. And it's very flexible because we can take different video inputs, we can mix it, you can select it all at the same time. And also we can support multiple channel streaming simultaneously. So that means at the same time you can send it to for your live streaming, you can send it to remotes, or you can also send it through NDI for the production simultaneously. With this unit, it can be up to 16 streams to different destinations at the same time. And also the bit rate is really high, that we can set up to 100 megabits per stream, or altogether not over to 100 megabits per second for the bit rates. Well, there are quite a lot of the powerful functions within this unit.
And is this shipping now?
Not yet. We plan to ship the units by end of March.
Okay.
Yes.
As part of your roadmap.
Yes, of course.
Excellent. So by the time we're at NAB, you'll be shipping these, and
yes, definitely. At NAB, we will do the live demo, of course, and we will shipping all the units.
Fantastic. And is there anything else new that we can expect from Kiloview this year as well?
Yes, of course. Actually, we released the N6, which is a product we released previously, but because of some reason we stopped that. But now we're bringing it back, even more powerful.
Excellent.
And it can do HDMI for HDMI to NDI or NDI to HDMI bidirectional conversion, and both full NDI and NDI-HX, HX2 and HX3 as well. And also we are adding the display and all those other functions. So it's really amazing. And of course, we will have a lot of other new products coming out in 2023, and probably we will release more products at NAB.
Excellent. Look forward to that.
Yes.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. And until then, of course, where can people find out more information?
Yeah, they can always visit us with our website, www.kiloview.com.
Fantastic. Judy, thank you very much indeed. Do check out the website for all the information on this amazing little device here, the E3 from Kiloview. We've done another 2 videos here on the booth as well about their roadmap and their new products, so do check those out as well. For everything else we're doing at ISE, you can see that at kitplus.com.